Looking to wow your Valentine with something beyond flowers and chocolates? This year, let tech be your love language. We've rounded up 15 innovative gadgets that'll spark joy, connection, and maybe even a little romance. From cozy, self-care devices to high-tech wearables and adventure-ready gear, these gifts are perfect for making memories that last long after Valentine's Day. Whether your special someone loves cool gadgets or thoughtful surprises, we've got you covered with tech that speaks straight to the heart. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome gift ideas. 15 great tech gadgets for Valentine's Day. Let's go. LARQ Bottle PureVis. This Valentine's Day, gift something as refreshing as your love. The LARQ Bottle PureVis. More than just a water bottle, it uses non-toxic UVC LED technology to neutralize bacteria like E. coli, giving your special someone brilliantly clean water in just 60 seconds. Its smart self-cleaning mode activates every 2 hours, keeping the bottle fresh and odor-free without lifting a finger. Whether your Valentine loves icy cold sips or warm cozy drinks, the double-wall vacuum insulation keeps beverages cold for 24 hours and hot for 12. Plus, with a rechargeable battery lasting up to a month, it's the low-maintenance gift they'll treasure daily. Perfect for adventurers, gym-goers, or anyone who deserves hydration as pure as your feelings. Ray-Ban Meta Glasses Wayfarer. Give the gift of iconic style with a futuristic twist. Ray-Ban Meta Glasses. Perfect for Valentine's Day, these smart Wayfarers blend timeless fashion with cutting-edge tech. With Meta AI, your Valentine can snap photos, shoot videos, or even get real-time info, hands-free. Double-tap the frame to share your view on video calls, making long-distance dates feel closer than ever. The ultra-wide 12MP camera and 5 mic system capture every moment, while discreet open-ear speakers keep the vibe going with rich, immersive sound. Whether strolling through the city or capturing spontaneous adventures, these glasses make sure love and memories are always in focus. Sonos Ace. Turn up the love this Valentine's Day with the Sonos Ace, the ultimate gift for audiophiles. These premium headphones deliver high-fidelity sound with custom-designed drivers and lossless audio streaming via Bluetooth and USB-C. Spatial audio technology creates a 3D soundstage, while active noise cancellation ensures your Valentine hears nothing but pure, immersive tunes, or your voice, crystal clear. The plush memory foam cushions and adjustable headband offer all-day comfort, perfect for long playlists or cozy calls. With up to 30 hours of battery life and rapid charging, the Sonos Ace keeps the rhythm of love alive, one beat at a time. Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 2. This Valentine's Day, turn memories into keepsakes with the Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 2. Compact, playful, and bursting with creativity, it connects wirelessly via Bluetooth to your smartphone, printing adorable 2x3 photos in seconds. Add fun frames, filters, and stickers, or get artsy with the Instax IR feature, doodling hearts or sweet messages that come to life with QR codes. Whether capturing date nights, silly selfies, or spontaneous adventures, it's a gift that transforms digital moments into tangible treasures. Perfect for the romantic who loves holding memories close, literally. GoPro Hero 13 Black. For the adventure seeker in your life, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is the ultimate Valentine's gift. It captures life's wildest moments in stunning 5.3K 60 video and 27LP photos, making every memory epic. Thanks to hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization, even the most action-packed footage stays buttery smooth. Whether surfing, skydiving, or hiking hand in hand, its rugged design and powerful enduro battery are built to keep up. Show your Valentine that love isn't just about the quiet moments, it's also about the thrilling adventures you'll share together. Oura Ring 4. Show your Valentine you care, right down to their heart rate, with the Oura Ring 4. This sleek, all-titanium smart ring discreetly tracks over 30 health metrics, from sleep and stress to heart health and activity. It's the perfect blend of style and science, adapting to your loved one's unique rhythms with smart sensing technology. With up to 8 days of battery life and water resistance, it's designed for 24/7 wear, because love and wellness never takes a day off. Compatible with iOS and Android, it syncs seamlessly with health apps, making it as thoughtful as your Valentine's Day surprise. Plus, it's so comfortable, they might forget it's on, until the compliments start rolling in. Apple Watch Series 10. This Valentine's Day, wrap their wrist with more than just a gift. Wrap it with care. The Apple Watch Series 10 isn't just a smartwatch, it's a personal health coach, safety companion, and connection hub. With a bigger, brighter display and advanced health insights, it tracks heart health, sleep, and even menstrual cycles. Whether you're Valentine's hitting fitness goals or sending sweet texts on the go, this watch keeps them connected. Plus, features like fall detection and emergency SOS mean peace of mind is always close at hand. It's durable, stylish, and fast charging, just like your love CurrentBody Skin Series 2. Give the gift of glowing confidence this Valentine's Day with the CurrentBody Skin Series 2. This revolutionary LED mask isn't just skincare, it's self-care. With 236 LED bulbs emitting clinically proven red, near-infrared, and deep near-infrared light, it boosts collagen, reduces fine lines, and leaves skin radiant. Its flexible liquid silicone design ensures a perfect fit, so your Valentine can relax in comfort while achieving that coveted glow. Whether they're prepping for date night or indulging in some me time, this mask turns every day into a spa day. Because nothing says I love you like helping them feel their best. Anker MagGo 3-in-1. Power up your Valentine's Day with the Anker MagGo 3-in-1. This ultra-compact, foldable charging station is perfect for the one who's always on the go. It wirelessly charges an iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch simultaneously, with ultra-fast 15W charging to keep devices ready for all your romantic plans. Weighing less than a baseball and folding down to the size of a deck of cards, it's travel-friendly and clutter-free. Whether for work, play, or spontaneous weekend getaways, it's the practical yet thoughtful gift that says, I've got you covered. Meta Quest 3S. Turn Valentine's Day into an adventure with the Meta Quest 3S. Perfect for the gamer or tech lover in your life, it blends virtual and mixed reality for mind-blowing experiences. Whether battling alongside Batman in Arkham Shadow, or hosting virtual date nights in Meta Horizon, it's all about connection, no matter the distance. The immersive display, social media integration, and multitasking capabilities make it more than just a headset. It's a gateway to new worlds. Gift it, and you're not just giving a gadget, you're giving unforgettable experiences to share together. Sonos Era 100. Set the mood this Valentine's Day with the Sonos Era 100. Its advanced dual-tweeter architecture and larger mid-woofer deliver rich, immersive stereo sound with deep, heart-thumping bass. Whether it's a cozy dinner or a spontaneous dance party. This sleek, compact speaker fits perfectly on a nightstand or kitchen counter, blending seamlessly with any decor. Effortlessly stream your favorite love songs via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, or connect a turntable for a touch of vintage romance. Plus, with TruePlay tuning technology, it customizes the sound to your space, because every love story deserves its perfect soundtrack. Fellow Ode Brew Grinder Gen 2. Brew love in every cup with the Fellow Ode Brew Grinder Gen 2. Its two-stage burrs unlock rich chocolate and toffee notes, perfect for cozy mornings with your Valentine. Precision grind settings, 11 to be exact, ensure the perfect brew, whether you prefer bold espressos or smooth pour-overs. Anti-static tech and a magnetic catch keep your counter spotless. No mess, just more time for cuddles. Plus, its quiet motor means you can surprise your special someone with fresh coffee in bed without waking them up. Now that's a love language worth savoring. Dyson Supersonic Nural Hair Dryer. Give the gift of fabulous hair this Valentine's Day with the Dyson Supersonic Nural. In a romantic strawberry bronze and blush pink, it's more than just a pretty face. Neural sensors automatically adjust airflow to protect scalp health and enhance natural shine. Whether styling smooth waves or taming flyaways, its attachments cater to every look. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's perfect for date night prep or post-shower pampering. A gift that says, you're flawless, because nothing's more attractive than confidence. AERLANG Shiatsu Back and Neck Massager. Show your Valentine you've got their back literally with the AERLANG Shiatsu Back and Neck Massager. Its 8 bi-directional kneading nodes melt away tension, perfect after long days or spontaneous adventures. 3 customizable speeds, soothing heat, and an ergonomic design offer the ultimate relaxation, whether at home, in the car, or on the go. It's like gifting a personal massage therapist, minus the awkward small talk. Wrapped in durable, comfy materials, it's a thoughtful present that says, I care about your comfort. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Capture every magical moment this Valentine's Day with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Its 1-inch CMOS sensor shoots stunning 4K videos, whether you're watching sunsets, dancing under fairy lights, or taking spontaneous road trips. The 3-axis stabilization keeps footage smooth, even if your heart's racing. ActiveTrack 6.0 ensures you're always in focus, perfect for adorable couple vlogs or solo adventures. With immersive audio and advanced color grading, your memories won't just be captured, they'll be cinematic love stories. There you have it, 15 tech-savvy gifts that are sure to make your Valentine's Day unforgettable. Whether it's a gadget that captures memories, keeps you connected, or simply makes life easier, these picks are more than just presents. They're experiences wrapped in tech. Found your perfect Valentine's gift? Let us know in the comments which gadget stole your heart, and don't forget to share your own must-have gadgets for lovebirds everywhere.